YouTube, do you want leads on complete autopilot? I mean, you just start the ball rolling and it keeps going on its own. If so, stay with me. I got something really interesting to show you in my review of Ablaze. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and who am I? I am the man in the hat. And why am I called that? Well, it's actually simple. It's because of this thing. I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Yesterday's cookies, which I already ate because my stomach is awful. Just kidding. I actually didn't make any cookies yesterday. I don't really bake cookies. I bake other stuff, but not cookies. Anyway, sorry. Trying to land a new joke, and it's really hard to come up with new material. You know, I keep giving Bart a hard time about it, but I guess it is hard to come up with new material. Anyhow, so what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, didn't I just say you should come up with new material? You have a team of writers. What have I got? I got nobody. The guy says the same thing every day. Does anybody know how to shut this guy up already? Seriously, he's annoying. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a bot, I will give a tip in my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. How can you say no to her? She's great. Anyhow. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Anyway, so Ablaze is a brand new piece of software. It's from my buddy Dawood Islam and his partner Al Cheeseman. I've actually known both of them since they started in the industry and helped both of them out when they started in the industry. So two good people who put this thing together. Al is a programmer and Dawood does marketing all the time. And basically, Ablaze is a very, very simple to use piece of software. It's basically designed to do what I call self-perpetuating leads. What does that mean? It means that you get the ball rolling, and then once you get the ball rolling, it just keeps going and going endlessly over and over and over again. The idea is basically that what you're going to do is you're going to drive a little bit of initial traffic. I'm going to show you how to do that. In my bonuses, I'll explain to my bonuses in just a second. And then basically, once you drive the initial traffic, it just keeps going on its own. And I'll show you exactly how that works. I do want to tell you about my bonuses. So first and foremost, I am going to give you 5 of my best traffic courses that are going to teach you all kinds of different methods of driving traffic to this particular offer, including a brand new one that I just created for my upcoming launch, Email Success Secrets. This one's a really, really cool one. I'm going to show you how literally about 5 minutes of work was all it took for me to earn over $600 and get over 200 fresh leads. Today, it's actually more than that. At the time that I recorded it, it was over $600 and about 200 fresh leads or something like that. Today, it's more like about $2,000 and I think about 400 or 500 fresh leads. Literally just a few minutes of work. Very, very easy. So I'm going to give you that course along with a few other traffic courses. The other thing you're going to need with Ablaze is you're going to need something to give away. So in order to make sure you have something to give away, I'm going to give you 3 of my best courses, full-fledged courses, not watered down stuff. You're going to get full-fledged courses. You're going to be getting local video jackpot. You're going to be getting durable, and you're going to be getting graphic supremacy. These are full-fledged courses you can give away for free in order to build your list, and that's really what the software is supposed to do. Now, you do see here some of the sales numbers. I've never been a big fan of these kinds of things. I know people put them up, and the thing is that when you put these things up, these are from vendors who have experience as opposed to somebody who's brand new, but you can definitely make some money. I've actually used something similar to that, to Ablaze, to actually build my list up and add new people and make money off of it too. So I know for sure that something like this works. Now I do want to show you a quick little trick here. I'm going to go ahead and reload the page. Basically, you won't see this unless you do this the first time. I go and try to exit, and you'll see it's going to pop up this thing that's going to say get your $3 discount. So instead of paying $17, you can get it for only $14. So make sure you go ahead and do that and grab it for $14 instead of $17. If you do pick up any upgrade, by the way, I'm going to give you additional traffic. You get the first upgrade that you pick up, you're going to get an SEO campaign that will bring in a lot more traffic for you. The second one, you're going to be getting, in addition to that, a shout out to my 7,000 plus followers on Instagram, so that you can get even more traffic going to your offer. So it's a really, really cool offer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area. There's actually 2 different members areas. I'm not even going to bother showing you the other one, because the other one is basically just the course from Dawood Islam. There's not a whole lot to see there. There's some bonuses there, which you can see on the sales page and stuff, what the bonuses are for that. Those are not from me. Those are from Dawood and from Al, obviously. This is what's important. This is the software, and it's really, really simple. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to prizes first of all. You can put in any prize you want. Now this is where my bonus really comes in, though, because I'm going to give you the right to give away my very own local video jackpot, durable, and graphic supremacy. You're getting 3 full fresh courses you're allowed to give away. And basically what you do is click add a prize and add in an image. You'll have the images off of the sales pages for these things, and you go and add the prize. You add in all the other details with the link. The link will be in the bonus stock, and you basically just set it up as a prize. Once you've done that, you're going to go over here to my campaigns, and basically you're going to add a campaign. Okay, and so you're going to give it a title, and basically in order for people to unlock the prize, they have to put in a certain number of referrals. So basically the idea is that once one person comes, they're going to refer their friends. Their friends are then going to have to refer their friends, and their friends are going to have to refer their friends, and so on and so forth, over and over and over again. And like I said, you get a little bit of traffic going, and it's self-perpetuating. Very, very easy to do. You can also add in dates, when you want the campaign to run for, and give the whole thing titles and all that kind of stuff. It's all hosted for you as well. I'm not going to actually set it up right now, but that's the basic concept. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead. You can also add in, by the way, there's bonuses here that are included for free with Ablaze. But I personally would use my own bonuses that I'm giving you as opposed to these things. And you can also get affiliate links if you want to. What you can do is you can actually, once people sign up for these things, you can offer them to take a look at a high ticket offer. And that's what they have here in the affiliate links is high ticket offers. So you have Ministry of Freedom, for example, from General Armstrong. Okay, John Crestani Super Affiliate System. And these are like a couple $1,000s. And you're not going to get a whole lot of sales with them. But the nice thing is that when you do get a sale, it's big money. It's not $10 here, $15 there. You're talking about a few $1,000s that you can be getting from each of these sales. So you can go ahead and grab any of these links and go ahead and start selling these things to people and making serious money once people do go ahead and buy them. So this way, even if you only get one sale out of 1,000 clicks, for example, if you make $800 from 1,000 clicks, that's not too bad. Especially if you're not paying for the clicks, because you're going to have my traffic course, which is going to give you how to get free traffic. So it's a really, really cool thing to do in order to get your free traffic. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
The concept, this is a little bit differently implemented because the idea is to also refer you to a high ticket offer afterwards, which the other software I didn't have. And the other software was a little bit more complicated to be perfectly honest. This one's a bit easier to use. So yeah, definitely worth picking up. Use the trick I showed you to get the $3 off. So you only get it for just $14 instead of $17. And this one's a no-brainer. Pick it up. You're going to love it.